Did you know that you can make a standard bulleted list in PowerPoint turn into something a little more interesting and perhaps keep your audience's attention a little longer? All you have to do is highlight your text, then click on Convert to SmartArt on the Home tab. Hover your mouse to see how it looks before you choose it. If you can't see anything you like, click on More SmartArt Graphics and choose anything from the list. I'll go for a process and I'll take this one here. I'll just change the color and change the style. Whether you like SmartArt or not, you've got to admit that is pretty neat. And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.